I'll not become the #1 highest paid actress. मेरे को नहीं बनना है highest paid actress. आज सुबह मैं was reading this headline of Akshay sir's interview. I loved it. कहता है मुझे ये सब सुन के लगता है मैं महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स में दौड़ रहा घोड़ा हूँ. I made my own rules. We made our own rules. I actually said yes to his proposal 9 years back. तो कह रहे कि शादी करने को ready है ये, at least उसमें खुश हो जाते हैं. The only thing I said when he was getting my friends and family to do most of the things, but other than that, I had no barter deals.
No wonder.
No magazine covers and all that. I'm telling you.
Right.
And no right selling. It's okay for me to be the bread earner of the family. What's wrong in that? So these kind of things where it's not always कि अच्छा आदमी है तो सारी जिम्मेदारी उसी के ऊपर है कमाने की. पता नहीं लोग पसंद करेंगे कि नहीं, पता नहीं ये मेरे पे सूट करेगा कि नहीं.
Fever FM पर this is the Superwomania show and the one Superwomania who's in the studio today, Taapsee Pannu. Somewhere you've always also maintained कि मैं उस तरीके से उतनी अभी insider हुई नहीं हूँ. I still don't get invited to those parties. I keep my distance. You've created your own world. Like your guest list is the most different as compared to any other film stars. Do you feel the need, or now you made peace? You're like,
नहीं यार नहीं. I don't think.
Do you think you lose out on work because you're still not part of?
Yeah. Because you lose out on work, but that's okay. That's still not the end of life. So I feel, even though people write parts for me, and a lot of other actors are like that, जिनके लोग parts लिखते हैं, I don't feel कि कोई भी ऐसा part है अगर ये लड़की ने नहीं किया या ये लड़के ने नहीं किया तो वो कोई और कर ही नहीं पाएगा. Let's be realistic, ऐसा नहीं होता है. But if you're not at the right place at the right time, you lose out on parts. And I am perpetually not at those places where there are all these people who I aspire to work with. So I have a longer, harder way to go through. But it gives me a peace of mind because मेरे लिए बहुत stressful हो जाएगा to always keep trying to get spotted at the right place around the right people. Trying to live a lifestyle that I am not enjoying. And I've always said my life is very limited. I don't want to live like someone else. I want to live like myself. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? कि I'll not become the #1 highest paid actress. मेरे को नहीं बनना है हाईएस्ट पेड एक्ट्रेस. मेरा जितना अभी चल रहा है मेरी किचन चल रही है उससे, ठीक है. एंड मेरे को #1 का तो लॉजिक है समझ. आज सुबह मैं वाज रीडिंग दिस हेडलाइन ऑफ अक्षय सर's इंटरव्यू. आई लव्ड इट. कहते हैं मुझे ये सब सुन के लगता है मैं महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स में दौड़ रहा घोड़ा हूँ. सो आई एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड दैट बिकॉज़ ये #1 2 3 क्या है मेरी लाइफ में. मैं हमेशा #1 थी और मैं क्योंकि मैं अकेली भाग रही हूँ और मैं वहीं रहूंगी. आई नीड टू जस्ट कीप माय bettering myself and genuinely mean it because see when two people haven't started together, our starting points were not same, our resources or hurdles in our path are not same. So how can we pitted against each other and said ये first #1 है ये #2 है तो fair ही नहीं हुई ना race. So इसलिए I'm not even I've stopped thinking about this whole #1 2 3. I have my own way of approaching my part. I'm not going to travel in someone else's path because anyway ना मुझे version 2 version 3 बोलेंगे उसका.
Correct.
So might as well have my own path.
आपको लगता है आपने redefine करा institution of marriage for yourself क्योंकि obviously traditional से बहुत अलग है.
Yes, I made my own rules. We made our own rules. I kept questioning everything that I'm supposed to do at every step. From the time I decided, I actually said yes to his proposal 9 years back. So technically probably would have been one of the longest engagements in the history of sort. 9 years we were engaged before we got married.
तापसी घर वाले तो दिल्ली के हैं, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला. ये क्या हो रहा है?
कह रहे हैं कि शादी करने को रेडी है ये, एटलीस्ट उसमें खुश हो जाते हैं. So we made our own rules. अरे किसने कहा कि एक लड़की को ही छोड़ के घर पे आना है?
You were clear about that even that 9 years back?
Yeah, I was very clear. I had told him at that time only कि we'll not right now, we'll see when I feel comfortable about getting married. And he was like more than happy. He's like, I wanted to convey my intention. That was my reason of proposing to you. So that, and 10 years later we got married and nothing really changed apart from a big heavy bill that I had to pay for because I did not do any barter deals also.
Wow, Taapsee, wow. I am telling you that you're amazing.
The only way I saved money was getting my friends and family to do most of the things, but other than that I had no barter deals.
No wonder.
No magazine covers and all that. I'm telling you.
You didn't sell rights.
And no right selling.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool. तो वो क्या कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको लगता है आपने अपने शादी में redefine करी?
Who takes a step back or front at what time?
So not always one person.
Not all. No, both of them probably will have to at different times basis what works for them.
Yeah.
But are they clear about it between both of them? Because he's retired, he has little ease in taking a step back. I'm the one working, so it's okay for me to be the bread
Correct.
earner of the
Correct.
family. What's wrong in that?
Yeah.
So these kind of things where it's not always कि अच्छा आदमी है तो सारी जिम्मेदारी उसी के ऊपर है कमाने की. ऐसा कोई कहीं लिखा नहीं है
ये
किसी किताब
सब
में.
था who's paying on the first date or eventually.
I think he would have, because he organized the whole thing, and it's not like I fought with him to pay, because there were so many other holidays that I organized and I paid for. So it has been like
very
between.
organic, natural.
Yeah, very organic.
Yeah,
We never
yeah.
really planned. Like अभी ऐसा भी नहीं है कि जो घर लिया चल तेरा 50% मेरा 50% नहीं. But he comes and stays with me in a Mumbai apartment that
Correct.
I have paid
Yeah.
for. So I can go and stay in Denmark in the house he has paid for.
Yeah.
The money wise, it doesn't really define. Though we have fun on the fact that he says apno, he's retired. So he's like, now, after getting married, before whatever I earn mine, whatever you earn, now it's whatever you earn is is between both of us. I was like, yeah, you wish. Yeah, so unlike the marriages where it feels like after getting married, responsibility on the man increases more to be taking care of the family. That man, after getting married, is practically retired and now even getting done with his contract of Olympics, and he doesn't feel that he has to run around to figure out a job. It's been going fine, and I'm the one who's the working one out of both of us, and he's fine with that.
Lovely. इन कुछ लोगों के नाम दूंगी मैं. Give me a word to describe them. It could be a hashtag, it could be a sentence, a word. Okay. Vicky Kaushal.
I think he's a Punjabi Munda. Hashtag Punjabi Munda.
Talk to me about Shah Rukh Khan.
Truly the star. I don't know if you talk about the personality off screen or the way the screen presence he has, but he is the true benchmark of what star is for me.
अच्छा, अनुराग कश्यप. ये तो invited थे आपकी शादी में.
हाँ.
ये तो close दोस्त.
The most honest person, actually, I should say. Before being anybody's friend, he's one of the most honest human beings I've met in this industry, at least.
Akshay Kumar.
I don't know if I should call him extremely. His sense of humor, he's really funny. Yeah. He's really funny. I've done now 4th film with him.
Yeah.
He's a very positive person. Okay. Yeah. I don't know many people know this. उनका humor तो सबको पता ही है. But I've never seen or heard him bitching about anyone, saying bad about anyone. 4 फिल्में कर ली उनके साथ. I've never seen at any phase in last 10 years of my career him saying anything bad or not nice about anybody. Not many people in this industry can boast about that.
First, Haseen Dilruba or ye, kaun si wali is closer to your heart? Or anything, you might say that I upped my game here, or this was very challenging, or whatever.
So this one I was slightly more confident of, because pehle wali mein I was pretty much fish out of water.
And you had got the response. You knew that you were accepted.
So I was more in control in this one. That one was like, पता नहीं लोग पसंद करेंगे कि नहीं, पता नहीं ये मेरे पे suit करेगा कि नहीं. So there were a lot of these question marks.
Yeah, when it came out, it was very new. We had not seen
very new.
like
This
that,
one I approached it only on front foot. This one.
Yeah. But thank you so much, and thank you for being
My pleasure.
you.
Oh, thank you.